Look at the beautiful color. I don't think I need to add in any starch anymore.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. You know, home cooking can be so simple as long as you use the right combination of ingredients. As you can see today, Appa has approximately 500-600 grams of free-range chicken parts cut into chunks and few pieces of rehydrated shiitake mushroom. Now, you put these two things together, you don't have to add a lot of seasoning also. It's going to taste very, very good. All right. And today, Appa is going to add in few pieces of, actually quite a few pieces of young ginger today. I'm using young ginger today, slightly refreshing flavor, and some garlic, and of course some water. And this, the chicken here today, if you don't mind taking alcohol, you can actually marinate it with some Shaoxing wine and also some light soy sauce. All right, prepare a wok. Give it a little bit of oil here. And we can put in the ginger and also garlic, saute for a minute or two before we continue. This is after a minute or two. Next thing, I'm going to put in the shiitake mushroom, rehydrated ones, yeah. Always try to saute your shiitake mushroom so that the flavor can actually come out really easier. Look at how thick is the shiitake mushroom. Usually for how to choose shiitake mushroom, basically the thicker one is the better one, yeah? Continue to saute for a minute or two. Next thing, the marinated chicken. Wow, already smells so good. I wish you can smell this. I'm going to try to char the chicken a little bit to give it some extra flavor. So what I did here is I try to make sure all the chicken has direct contact with the wok and leave it there for at least about 30-40 seconds. Right, this is after about 30-40 seconds. Let me give it a few stir. See, you can start seeing some char on the chicken itself. Look at how beautiful the chicken is. The chicken skin. This is a free-range chicken, my favorite. Right, next thing, I'm going to give it some Shaoxing wine. A bit of oyster sauce. A bit of light soy sauce. A few dashes of white pepper. A bit of salt. And a bit of sugar. You can add dark soy sauce if you like the color to be darker. It's optional if you ask me. Give it some water here. This is the shiitake mushroom water just now. I think let's give it a bit of dark soy sauce lah. I like darker color today. Not too much, yeah? If too much, your chicken stew or braised chicken today can be bitter. Alright, next thing is to bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, I'm going to cover it with a lid, tune down to medium heat or slightly medium low, and let it simmer for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Then it is done. Alright, this is after about 18 or 19 minutes. As you can see from here, the sauce has actually reduced by itself, thicken up. Look at the beautiful color. I don't think I need to add in any starch anymore. It's basically done. For those who like a little bit more Shaoxing wine flavor, you can actually add in a little bit of Shaoxing wine right before serving. Otherwise, it is ready to be served. Alright, here's my chicken stew, chicken and mushroom stew. I'm using a young ginger today. Actually, this dish is more suitable to use old ginger. But there's no rules in Appa Kitchen, remember? Alright, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.